In today's episode, we are going to be talking about the Kaspa Price Prediction that you need to understand and get to know of before you do anything which is going to be detrimental to the growth of your portfolio. So, if you take a look at the statistics of Kaspa, right, the past 7 days have been crazy because the price has dropped by about 9.9%. The past 14 days have been extremely painful because we saw a decrease in about 17.9%. So, is the price of Casper going to end up going down, or are we going to have a reversal? What is the price of Casper going to be like in the next 5 months? Because I guarantee you, there is a probability that Casper can end up going to one freaking dollar. And if you take a look at the price right now, right, it's at 13 cents. So that's a whole lot of upside to get to. So this is one of the reasons why I am going to be giving you a technical analysis breakdown of the price of Casper. So here it is, and take a look at this. If you guys are really panicking right now, please do not, because obviously the price is just adjusting because we had a very good price in the past couple of months. And take a look at this price trajectory. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this so beautiful? This is a very beautiful chart. The only thing that happens is once it consolidates, it always ends up pushing higher and higher. And this is one of the reasons why this particular bull run is not going to be any different. There's going to be a point where the price is going to consolidate enough so that it coils up and just basically pushes towards the upside like that. So, what are we looking at right now? Right now, we're looking at the 3-day time frame, which is absolutely amazing due to the fact that it is very healthy. You want to see a chart which is pretty healthy. What does a healthy chart looks like? What does it look like? It looks like a chart that has got a balanced equilibrium of sellers and buyers, and then have a maximum of buyers rushing to buy that particular asset. So in this particular case, right, we obviously had a very good amount of selling pressure coming through, but the buying action was sort of very, very powerful, and we ended up defeating all the short sellers or the people fading Casper, and we ended up having more buyers. Therefore, the price just had to give in and just push towards the upside because there's actually more demand than there's more buying pressure than the selling pressure. So in this particular reason, right, or in this particular case, we have to figure out which areas are prone to having a lot of selling pressure. And this is one of the reasons why using order blocks is very, very important, because if you take a look at this particular area, right, the pre-pump area, this is where a lot of important buying pressure came through. So this is one of the reasons why I am looking forward to the price of Casper coming back down to these particular lows, because they are going to be very, very crucial, especially when it comes to sort of getting to find the support. So these are the $2 cost average areas I would be looking at. So that is basically going to be, let me just drop this down. So if we zoom in, right, we are obviously seeing this amazing rectangular support. So if we really had to be very technical, we can even adjust it to that level, because I'm following this order block right over here. This red candle, let me just try to zoom in as much as I can so that you guys can actually clearly see it. Do you see this last candle right over here? This was a very significant turnaround before we had the price pump. All this price action is stemming from this particular one red candle right over here. Before we had this bullish upside momentum, right, a lot of buying power came through at this particular level. So this is one of the reasons why there's a high probability that the price is going to come back down right over here and have a retest. And this is where we're most likely going to find the strength to sort of find our support, then continue going towards the upside. So if you take a look at this price, right, the price point in this particular small range is around 11 cents. Anything which is going to be close to 11 cents is going to be very, very good buying opportunity for a lot of people. And if you take a look at the current price is literally about 15% away. So all you got to do is wait for 15% price drop, and you guys are going to have the most amazing buying area. So what if the price doesn't retrace that low and come back to this level? Well, it's highly unlikely because we faced some very good rejection right over here. And as you can see, we've got a very strong rejection here as far as the price control area, the point of control is concerned. So when that usually happens, when you face some sort of selling pressure, especially from a point of control where a lot of contracts are exchanged, right? The highest number of volume in terms of the contracts are exchanged, right? There's obviously a higher probability that you're going to go to the pre-pump order block level, which we identified as being close to 11 cents. So anything remotely close to 11 cents is going to be a very good buying opportunity. So what if the markets are going to be ultra bearish and we end up going lower? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we do have another significant order block right over here that we are most likely going to bounce off of. So if we take a look at this, right, the next support level is around 10 cents to about 9 cents. So anything which is going to be close to or rather between 11 cents to about 9 cents, right, that is going to be your buying target. Okay, so here is your buying target. So once the price reaches these levels, all you got to do is hit that buy button and you guys are going to be good to go. All right, so I'm trying to sort of I don't know whether you guys can see this. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So that's your buying target. So do not panic, ladies and gentlemen. There's absolutely a lot of support at the bottom, and yeah, we could potentially do very well. So remember, the secret is dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is basically a trading strategy where a person sort of buys a particular asset in different phases at multiple time intervals. All right, so you guys already know a lot about dollar cost averaging. So have sort of $3 cost buying or dollar cost averaging buying points at lower prices between 11 cents to about 7 cents etc, and then you guys are going to ultimately do very well. So if you take a look at other statistics as far as Kaspa is concerned, right, the market cap is very undervalued from a general perspective of cryptocurrencies, because it's only 3.2 billion US dollars with a fully diluted valuation of about 3.2 billion US dollars as well. The trading volume is pretty healthy, 37.4, and due to the fact that Kaspa is not really on major mainstream cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, this is pretty decent. It's all right. All right, so one of the things that I really like about Kaspa is due to the fact that the maximum supply and the total supply is pretty similar. So these guys have really faced a lot of inflation already. So this is one of the reasons why it's definitely going to do very well. So one of the things that is really confusing me at the moment is if you take a look at the maximum supply, right, and the total supply and the circulating supply, why is this lower? Oh yeah, sorry, this is 24 billion, isn't it? And this is 28. Sorry, my bad, my apologies. So yeah, most of the inflation has been done as far as Kaspa is concerned, because if you take a look at this, right, less than 20% is remaining to be sort of injected into the circulating supply, which is absolutely fine, and it's not really as bad as some other cryptocurrency projects that I see. So all in all, I really believe Kaspa is a very good midterm type of project that you can be holding. Of course, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. But from the look of things, I really believe it's gonna do very well. And please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How long have you been holding Casper? And do you think Casper has got the ability to reach as high as $1? So please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know your trading strategies and when was the first time you bought Casper. Let me know in the comment section below. You guys have been awesome. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube video, and let's keep the conversation going in my comment section. Take care and bye.